or lacerons. The equipments we need are a plate, small bowl, a glass, knife, 2 spoons, tongs, cutting board, frying pan and stove. And the materials we need are 3 pieces of white bread, 1 piece of sausage, an egg, mozzarella cheese, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, chili sauce, and oil. Let's see how to make it. First, cut the sausage and mozzarella cheese into pieces. And then put in on a plate. Okay, next step. Pour the oil into the pan. Fry the sausage until it's light golden brown. Take the sausage from the oil. Put the sausage on a plate. Next, grind the bread. Put 2 chunks of sausage and mozzarella cheese on bread. And roll it. Press the bread until it is closed. Crack an egg and beat it in the bowl. Dip the bread into the bowl of egg mixture. Smear with breadcrumbs. Fry the bread until it's colored like golden brown. Then, flip the bread. Take the bread out from the pan and put in on a plate. At the last, add chili sauce and mayonnaise on the bread. Finally, the lacerol is ready to